Angali. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. That is how you know if something is really good or not. Just have a look at this. Acha tuonje tuangalie kwa vipi sasa. Bismillah. Wallahi intamu wewe.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Yo, it's your boy Swahili the G. How y'all doing, guys?
Okay.
Welcome to this beautiful video. And today, guys, I, your boy Swahili the G, is gonna be teaching you guys how to cook chapati.
Yeah, boy.
Now, for those who don't know, your boy is an absolute legend. That's just how I am. I'm really good at cooking. And I know some of you probably wondering, there's no way this guy is gonna be able to teach me how to cook. Calm down with this sexy shit, okay? For those who don't know, there are some guys that are good at cooking as well. I mean, I'm not one of them, but there are some guys that are, good at. Anyways, what we're doing today, guys, is we're making chapatis. Hopefully you guys are gonna learn something from this. Yes, I do have several cooking videos on the channel. All the links are in the description, guys. You can go check out your boy. So yeah, hope you guys had a beautiful, lovely day. Your day is about to get a lot better because the boy is actually out here. So first of all, I want to start by showing you guys what all the ingredients that I'm using and everything, so that you guys get a grasp of what you need, I guess. Yeah, that's what's happening right now. So I'm gonna take that camera and then I'm gonna be showing you all the stuff here. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is unga wangano. For those who don't know, aka that bad boy right there. That is the brand that I use, to be honest. One of the best. This is like a half a kg, I'm also making it for supper. There's people coming around, so I want them to taste my food. And this right here is salt, guys. This is salt. This is the quantity that I'll be using. It's like I don't know, 1 tablespoon or something. It's not that much. This is water, hot water, to be honest. This is mafuta, and there's more here. So with cooking this, the ingredients have to be warm. So the way you make this, guys, the first thing you need to do is warm up the water. Yes, this has to be cooked with warm liquids, if that's a word. That way inashikana haraka, so that's the reason for that. So first of all, you take the salt, ladies and gentlemen, and you're mixing it with the wheat flour, aka ungangana, whichever way you call it, it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna start by doing that. So quick spray. Mother, the one in the camera, by the way, it's my mom. She's back at it with weird camera angles. So you're mixing it while adding the salt under. Mara stoke vibaya chapati. Bado tuzilevu hivyo wajua. That is too much salt. Hata ikuwa nyingi sana hiyo. Apologize but just in case. Alright. So, the next thing you do ni mafuta, sawa? Haya ndo naeka next bana. So kidogo. Yeah, it's hot. Nimeambia kila kitu has to be warm, by the way. My mother is out here, giving me some specific instructions to say. That's why. Majawoto, guys, the warm water, that is the second part of this beauty right here. Agali, let me explain something here, guys. If this water is too warm or too hot, for example, the idea is the water will start cooking this wheat flour, whatever it's called, and then it's just going to be like forming the final mixture, and you don't want that. So you have to keep it like warm. The temperature has to be warm but not hot. The temperature has to be warm, not hot, guys. This is very important, or else it's going to start cooking this mixture right here. So yeah, that's what you do here. Angaliza.
Just mix.
Asa mother, tafanya video lini mimi na Q&A ama which video would you like us to do together? Ama 100k subs. Wasema 100k subs.
You are still at 11.
100k subs. Mimi na tafanya Q&A. Wallahi tena nasema. How we started YouTube. Ama wataka 1 million subs.
You are taking a century to go to reach 12. How many subscribers do you have right now?
Wasemaje?
How many subscribers do you have?
It doesn't matter where we are. What matters is where we are going. 100k subs. Mimi nawe Q&A. Wasemaje?
Then when will that be?
It doesn't matter. That's why we are saying 100k subs. Nafanya video na mother pale Q&A, how we started YouTube. There we go. It's much better wallahi if you use the mafuta. Let's get it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get it. We got this. I know we got this. You see, my mother, guys, is the camera woman. I apologize for this amazing session here. But it's very simple with this. If you want to know that if it's ready or not, just look at this. Do this and then... See that? If it's not coming back up, then you're ready. That is the trick, ladies and gentlemen. That is the trick for all those single guys out there. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. It is ready. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is how it's done, guys. Why are you holding it like this? Mother, it's no... Straight, you can straight TV. There we go. Anyways, that's how you do it, guys. So after you finish the thing, all you do is just put your hand in some mafuta kidogo and then waipaka kidogo tu kidogo, as you can tell from this. So now, as you can tell, mafuta yako kidogo, and then you just leave the mixture for like 10 minutes, I guess, and then boom, just like that, guys. That's how it's done. Mommy, you're not showing me. You're looking at me with your face, with your eyes.
You make it back in morning or whatever they want to do.
So yeah, subscribe, hit the like button. Alright, so what you need, ladies and gentlemen, is here, as you can tell, these two things. Now I don't know what they are called. I have no idea what these things are called. Kibao na kifimbo. So no, literally I don't understand what these things are called. Maybe they have a name where you're from, so I don't know what they're called. But you need these two, and I'll explain why in a second. And then this is the mixture that we did right here. So you can actually put it for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. It's not a must, but I mean, that's what I do. So you can do that as well. Yes, there is a trick. There is a mommy hint. It's called, why are you holding it like this? Hold like this, mother, normal. There is a mommy hint. I'm sorry, guys, for this camera quality from my amazing mom.
Wait.
So what we do is, first of all, tunagawanya madonge haya, for those who don't know. So you cut this beautiful unga into, doesn't really have to be 3 balls in general, but it's all up to you, the way you want. So you get me? Yeah. Alright, there we go. That's the first one, and then wow. Pop. Alright. See that, ladies and gentlemen, that is your boy Swahili the G cooking. Alright, there's the second one, and then last but not least, as they say, here is the final one, I guess. Boom, as you can tell. Wow. Now there's a reason why this knife is here as well. There's a reason why this knife is here. Mami, you are my, you know. Haya, unga. It's not that much. It doesn't really have, you know. You get me?
Too much.
Let's get this. So you take one of these madonges here and you put it here. And then you put it here. Alright, now it's time for this bad boy. For those who are asking why we had this one, this is its purpose right here. See that? So the idea with this, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm trying to make it as circle as this little thing over here. I'll explain why in a bit, but that is the reason like why I'm doing it this way. Anyway, let's get this. What can I say except you're welcome? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, after that's done, the next thing is mafuta. Now, I'm not really good with making it completely circle for some reason. I apologize for that. But you get the idea. You're trying to make it as circle as possible. And the reason for that is, so the reason, you put some, mafuta, as I've just explained. Now, mafuta, what usually happens is, yanasaidia na kule kuishikanisha ile. Acha zingine wewe shika mkono kama wafanya hizi kazi. Sasa mafuta kidogo yanasaidia with that part. The next thing, the knife. This is where the knife comes in handy. So You make the chapatis, I guess. This is it. This is the dimensions for the chapati. It's like a rough sketch before you cut it. Mami waona vizuri, si ndio?
Yeah.
Sio kwa naangalia na macho yako. Acha nitoe miwani kidogo. Okay. Do you see what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? I want you to look at this with attention to detail. It's very important here. Your boy Swahili the G, you know how he does it. Ya kawia diago. Angalia kama ingiji. The next one, as you can tell, mafuta mengi mengi kidogo hapa. Kusema kweli si mingi sana, lakini mengi kidogo.
Just make it there.
So that's the plan. Pop. Ta-da-da-da-da. Oh, there we go. I'm getting the hang of this, to be honest, ladies and gentlemen. Now, for those who don't know, whenever I make this, I usually don't even do this part. But for the sake of people, you guys understanding how it's made, that's why I'm showing you this part. But usually I just skip this, but we'll move. Okay, so that's the procedure. That's how you do it. For every single one of the madonge ambao umeatengeza, that is how you do this beautiful thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here, everything is all set. Sushawana bana, everything is all done. Hii ndio ile madonge tumegeuza tukafanya hivi. Sasa hizi weka kwenye kitu and then you just start, making them into chapatis. That is the idea. I'm sorry for the camera angles bana. Unajua mami, tuanze. Here, look, wait, ba. Mami, nataka tufanye video na behind the scenes wallahi. Itakuwa chekesha hiyo wewe. Yeah, let's get it. So this part is the easiest part of the entire thing, to be honest. All you do is just unaweka chapati kwenye unga, sawa? It is that simple. And then you just start, turning these bad boys into quick, beautiful circles, The thing is, I'm really bad with making them circles, so they're never really actually, perfect circles, I guess. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is my first chapati, as you can see here. Nataka shekule moto pia wajua. Alright. There we go, njoo hapa kwenye. There we go. Alright. Palalalalalalalala talala. Palalalala talala talala. Palalalalalalalala talala. Alright. There's the first chapati. I come back here, we do another one while that is doing its thing, I guess. So this is basically this is the simplest part, to be honest, of the entire thing. All you have to do ni kuweka unga, unachezesha namna hii, and then you just take a piece, unaweka hapo, unageuza, and then you just start doing this. In case hii kitu kianza kushika the fimbo, you just take more unga, unaweka kwa fimbo. So now that's pretty much all you have to do with this part. It's actually quite simple to the point that anyone can do it. Now I apologize in case if they're not a perfect circle, but you get what I'm saying. But so sisi magema, we're just out here to eat. As you can see, this one is already starting to make these weird shapes. So just quickly turn it. You get me from there we go. See that? That is your boy's cooking skill, ladies and gentlemen. That right there is your boy's cooking skill. Now you do this for a while, until the chapati, hardens, I guess. Please remember to use the link in the description to get the Glovo app. It's actually 100% true, guys. I'm not even kidding. So if you want to buy stuff, anything from supermarkets, anything that's on Glovo, supermarkets, Pizza Inn, Pizza Hut, Grubhub, whatever you want, what is it called? Big Square, anything you want, buy it from the application, guys, and you're going to get the discount. Yes, KFC, everything. You get the discount if you use the link in the description. It's ready, ladies and gentlemen. It's ready for the mafuta. Oh my God. It smells amazing, wewe. Ma. Eh?
Use a spoon, my friend.
It's way too hot, by the way. Wow. Almandri, are you seeing this? Almandri, Gordon Ramsay, all the biggest chefs out there. Are you seeing this? And I'm just a gamer, not even a pro player, a gamer, a regular gamer. And you are seeing this. Are you guys seeing this? This is how it's done, guys. This is how it's done. If you want more chapatis, subscribe, hit the link in the description to donate, and then maybe I might bring you one. You never know. That's what I'm saying. You just never know.
Dude, see how beautiful it is. Never all round.
Relax, when you say for basi. Hey.
Eventually.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are finally done with the cooking and everything, and everything is here, as you can see. Please show them. Bah! So this is like something to, to test the chapati with. We're doing the testing. We're finally at the end of this. This is the testing bit. So here we are. Come close, ma. Onesha vizuri. Look at those bad boys, ladies and gentlemen. Look at those bad boys. Look at this. So I'm gonna take one. This one. Let's quickly let me show you close up. Nataka uone how laini iko. So unaona? This is how laini it is. Chapati anuka vizuri wewe. Rudi hapa unaoneshe. Angalia. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. That is how you know if something is really good or not. You see this? Look at this, guys. Just have a look at this. Acha tuangalie kwa vipi sasa. Oh my god. Bismillah. Wallahi ntamu wewe. Wallahi ntamu anga Mungu tena. Madam wezi kuonja manake afunga. Leo ni Thursday, si ndio? Madam ntamu wewe. No problem, wallahi ntamu anga Mungu tena. Anything you want me to cook, guys, comment down below. Remember to use the link in the description for the Glovo app. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, remember, I'll be uploading a behind the scenes for the members only. So please hit the join button to become a member today, and you'll be able to experience some cool videos that no one else can see. Remember that. Hizi ni pojo. For those who are wondering, hizi ni pojo. Something to eat the chapati with. Manake it had nothing to eat with. Ni pojo za nini za nazi. There's nothing special up. If you want me to cook pojo za nazi, just comment down below. So unajua? That's enough, guys. It was just a quick test, Maji. This thing is insane. It is insane. Make sure to go check it out, guys. Come on, kupika. Watch my videos. There's 2 other videos that I've uploaded, cooking videos. The links will be in the description, and there's entire playlist as well. Everything you need to know is in the description. My TikTok, Instagram, everything, guys. It's in the description. More videos are coming soon. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button. Your boys got you with content. Trust me. I got you. See you guys in the next one. You guys are all amazing. Tomorrow will be streams and everything, so I got you. See you in a bit, and peace.